What is up, guys? Billy here. So today I'm in Manchester. We're going to be in the Hall of Residence here. That's been left abandoned for quite a while, so hope you guys enjoy this. Now there might be security on here. We're going to see how we kind of get on, and with Gessie and Lucy, so I hope you guys enjoy the explore, and we're going to crack to it. Alright, so for the main building here, I want to get up to the top floor, hopefully, to see how we kind of get on. It's definitely this one here. Could be that one too. So I don't even know. No, no, it is this one. There we go. Right, Hall of Residence. Boom. So interesting. Okay, off we go. So let's see how well secured this building is. As you can see, it's huge though. I mean, from the looks of it, it doesn't look overly difficult. All you need is that one entrance point. Which could be over here. Unless we go straight down the middle. Oh, boarded there, look. I'm looking. I'm looking. See, it's open, but it's not. Keep going. So those lights are just a deterrent. Let's keep working our way around. Oh, and about. It's this building as well. Interesting. Guess, yeah, as a deterrent. Guess.
What?
It's this one as well, look at this. See it?
Are you sure it's abandoned?
Look at it. Yeah. It's not a uni residence anymore, is it? Pretty back there. Right.
Hey, up, sir. Fucking push knacker.
Right, let's see. All student hub buildings, aren't they? Now these ones, I don't think they are. Look, the Manchester meeting places.
That's definitely not.
Yeah, that is though.
Fucking dog there. Weird dog.
Yeah?
Dog there.
Could be security hands. We'll keep going, move on.
Guy there.
Probably just a guy walking his dog. Just a guy walking his dog, like. Just looking for that one point. Huge place. I'm hoping we get lucky. No, right. Okay, so I'm not seeing an entrance there. Let's check this building here. It's connected, so follow it round that way. We are getting in here. I'm not giving in. I think it's this building as well. Do you see the security signs? The little dots? What they're going to do with the place, God knows. Apparently some people came to do this place. People doing yoga here when the alarms were going off. They were like, oh, did you hear the alarms? Nothing. Huge building. We'll see. Yeah, this one's definitely been left. Not sure about that one. I don't think that one has. But again, follow it around. You can see the building works kind of going on. Let us see. All it takes is one window, one door. You can see where people have come in. At least they've tried to. Yeah. Have fun then.
This is going to be an on the day one. This
Maybe. Well, we'll see.
and it's open kind of thing.
Yeah. Well, it depends. Like you can see, people have been breaking in. Well, I'm looking for windows and other bits that are open. How about you see that again? Left look, boarded on the side. Big many buildings. I'm quite gutted if we don't get in and we've missed it, because it's huge. But we'll see. So you can see all the old names have been scrubbed off the boards. Sorry? Yeah, we're just taking a look around. Because like we heard the place was left. Here we go. Yeah, you did. Okay. Are you like watching the area? Are you watching the area here? Okay, yeah, because we heard that the place was left, so we just came to come take a couple. Well, yeah, a long time ago.
Oh, yeah, sorry,
so I thought I'd just come and like just have a little look.
It's fine.
Yeah.
As much as you have go around, it's fine.
Oh yeah.
Completely fine. But I thought you're trying to go inside.
No, we're just looking
Sorry
around at the moment
yeah.
because obviously the buildings are
No
taking
worry,
some pictures. So here.
Breaking in.
Sorry?
Breaking in.
I know it's very nice to
Can you let us in?
So like,
Can you let us in?
All buildings allowed.
so like, what buildings? Is it all the buildings that are now
All
gone?
building will now.
Oh yeah, yeah. No, I mean like
Except the main one.
the one, the right Hall of Rights, is it?
What's it called?
Right Hall.
Sackville Hall.
Ah, okay.
Sackville building.
Ah.
The red one. The
So
very
like,
big
so
one.
even the white
Because
one there, all of this
all,
is.
I think all.
Oh wow. Okay, it's a massive area, isn't it? Massive space. Just to. Yeah. Yeah, it's gone.
Can we go in?
Except the main one because it's historical.
Well, yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah.
listed.
Listed building. Yeah. I think
So
probably
what are you
grade
here to
2.
stop people going in?
Yeah. Oh, you've done a good job so far.
Look.
I'm okay.
Yeah, because I can see like the
No,
cranes and all the other stuff. But yeah, like I say, we'll just take a little look and then we can go on. Yeah, cool. Look at the features of this. Yeah, it's real nice. I don't think this guy understood what's going on. Like, hey, if I can do that crane. Ah, I'm so tempted. Yeah,
2 people got arrested last night trying to get here.
probably. It depends on how you get in. All bits and left. Ah, mate. That's what I mean. Like I said, if you break it in, it's all going to be coming down, all demolished and destroyed, which is mad. Can't believe like such a place with like so much history just left, man. So it does have security on it. Interesting. I mean, I wouldn't expect anything less though. But that doesn't necessarily mean that we won't get in.